Hello everyone, it's your girl Itsdymaeshia here, and today I'm going to be doing a natural glam makeup look. I will be doing more makeup tutorials on my channel and be more consistent now, so I'm more focused on uploading videos on my channel instead of just uploading videos on Instagram and TikTok, because I know that I've been really frequently be on there and posting a lot every day, but not on YouTube. So I want to be here and I want to give y'all some more content like this, and also create my own series, which is how to do makeup series, where I'm going to be teaching y'all how to do makeup step by step. One video is going to be just speed up me not talking. It's going to be another video of me just talking really briefly to y'all on, you know, what makeup product I will be using, and give y'all a walkthrough a step by step on how to do your makeup. If you guys want more content like this one, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, leave that bell on, get notified my videos where I upload, like the video, follow my social media down in the description below. Without further ado, let's get this makeup tutorial started. And there you guys have the natural glam makeup look. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like on the video and subscribe to my channel and leave that notification bell on to get notified when I upload. Follow my social media down in the description below, and I'll see you guys next time, and bye.